So there are a lot of differences between living in an urban area and in a rural area. And in those differences, sometimes words even have different meanings. Like out here where I live, in a rural area, fast food is typically, we'll say, a white-tailed deer. And a drive-through looks something like this. Check that out. Fresh blackberries, and you don't even have to get out of the vehicle to enjoy them. So today, I'm heading into the test facility. Actually, I didn't come here to pick blackberries. It's just one of the benefits on the way in. A little bit of drive-through action. Let's head in, and I'll show you why I did come out today. Happy August to my ballistic blood brothers and sisters in arms. Finally August. Man, let's get 2020 in the rearview mirror. So today I'm out at the range for a couple purposes. It's changing. You know, it's deep into summer right now, starting with fall, and blackberries are everywhere. Apples are going to be not far behind them. Pears are not going to be far behind them. That's one of the cool benefits of living in a rural area. It makes it kind of fun to see the seasons change as they progress. It certainly doesn't get old or boring. Anyway, the reason for coming to the range today initially was to get a little bit of time in on the new Olight Baldor Mini. Something that I thought was really important that a lot of you may benefit from, as I had in the past, that allows me the use of testing a flashlight during the day. Obviously, you need it dark. In midday, in the middle of the summer, is not a real advantageous time to test a gun with a flashlight or a laser light. But because of the construction of the range that we have here, we built this particular range, the pistol range, and actually the parallel rifle range the same way. It's built through the middle of a white pine forest. And there are a couple reasons why we built these ranges in the white pines. One was sound mitigation. Instead of being in an open field, when we shoot, the sound is absorbed so much more by having this all enclosed in the white pines. And we've got a lot of white pines, acres and acres and acres of them on either side of the range and behind it. Also, it gives us a really nice canopy. Up here, we find ourselves shooting in the shade and working in the shade and gathering numbers and measuring things in the shade when almost everybody else is in bright sunlight, and it makes a massive difference. If you look at this shot from the drone, you can see how bright the sun is and how dark it gets really fast, and it's only because of placement, only because we're in the pines. So I thought that might be interesting for those of you that are putting your own ranges together. So because we have this canopy, we can work with the flashlight and the laser a little bit at 3 in the afternoon instead of having to wait until it's really late and not being able to see what we're doing and making a lot of noise at that time of night. Let's head downrange right now and I'll show you what I mean. So this is the advantage of having a white pine canopy, if that's something that's possible where you live or an option. Here we are in the middle of the day. It is 3-something in the afternoon, just before 4 o'clock, and this Olight, this Baldor Mini, on our rubber dummy target is still this apparent. How cool is that? All right, the 600 lumen Olight Baldor Mini at close to 4 o'clock in the afternoon on the rubber dummy target. I hope that you enjoyed coming to the range with me today. I hope that showing the reason why we built the range in a pine grove and demonstrating how effective it really is has been helpful to you too. I know a lot of our friends want to build ranges, and I hope that this helps you make a decision that lasts for you for exactly what you want to use it for. If you did, please click like, share us with your friends in your vast social media universe, subscribe to the channel if you don't already, both on YouTube and on Full30, and make sure you click notify so you know when we upload something new. You can participate over on Patreon, where we try to launch things a little bit earlier than we do on the public social media sites. And if you just like to talk about guns, probably Facebook is the best place to do that at facebook.com/guntestvids. Till next time, have fun and be safe.